I'm here today in Bangkok for the GSIP Thailand 2019 Academy. So GSIP, or the Global Cleantech Innovation Program, is a Unido program, United Nations Industrial Development Organization, funded by the GEF.
And it's essentially the program aims to aid clean technology startups in all of these countries to validate their business and innovation, technology innovation, and essentially commercialize their enterprise and succeed and create a green economy in each of these countries.
I'm very pleased and excited that Thailand is one of the countries that's been participating for a number of years. This is the third year, the third cycle.
We've been extremely impressed with the caliber of the teams. There are very great innovations that are quite promising.
And we've seen again this year some very promising, some very diverse but very determined entrepreneurs.
They've learned about 20 different business elements, and they've created some hypotheses about what their beachhead markets, their adjacent markets, should be. Whether or not they have identified the actual problem and pain that their innovation is going to be solving.
Each of these GSIP Thailand teams will be developing their venture, de-risking their business, enhancing and developing their business model. And that's the key thing. In order to solve the greatest environmental, energy, social challenges that we have to tap the power, the innovation of entrepreneurs. And that's ultimately what GSIP is about, creating a platform, a network, a family of entrepreneurs, support mechanisms to help these innovations move forward. Because if we're going to tackle the greatest environmental, social and economic challenges that we have to make it easier, we have to facilitate these innovations going forward. And I think it's been a fantastic start to the program in Thailand in 2019.
So we are really looking forward to working with all the teams.
And I'm very excited to see what will happen over the coming months.
They were all very ready to present, and we are going to teach them how to put together an investor presentation, but they will also be ready that way to present to investors, potential investors, who may be very interested in investing into their technology.
So in February, when we have the GSIP Thailand National Final, we're hoping that the teams will be in a much better place. That's not to say they're not in a good place already, but the idea of GSIP is how can we help these companies de-risk, move forward, and help them to build much more prosperous, much more successful businesses.
We're looking forward to the next 2 months working with everybody, and it's been a total pleasure to be here in Thailand.